Hello everyone, so I'm going to show you how I thoroughly detangled my thick natural hair in less than 20 minutes without any pain. So if you'd like to know my routine, keep watching. So it's a very simple routine, and I have started using a product that has completely taken me by surprise because, to be honest, I did not expect this brand to create a product that will detangle my hair with so much ease. And I'm talking about the L'Oreal Professionel Absolute Repair Molecular. This product, let me show you, it's the Professional Concentrated Pre-treatment. I hope you can see. And then I just have my water bottle, my spray bottle, and this is just water, room temperature water. So let's start. I like to section my hair, typically in 4 sections, but if your hair is even too thick and too dry to section, I suggest, spraying the product first all over your hair and then let it do its thing. You might leave it for 5 minutes or 2 minutes or less, and then start separating or start sectioning your hair. But I'll just go ahead and section my hair already. So first, some water. And I do spray lots of water because the hair is, well, my hair is generally easier to detangle when it's wet. So I'm quite generous with spraying, making my hair wet. And then I'll go in with this product. I'm also very generous with it. Just spray, including my roots. And then allow the product to work while just smoothing it into my hair. And this is liquid as opposed to using a conditioner, so the hair absorbs it quicker. So I'm going to do that and then move to the next section. Okay, so that's the first step, and it's been about 6, 7, 8, about 9 minutes. So let's try to detangle. The product has had time to sit, and then first, just even before I use my comb, can you see how soft my hair already looks? The first time I used this product, I could not believe it. I couldn't. Look at this. So what I do, I section in 2, and if you feel any tough tangle, just spray the product. Yeah. So let me go in with the comb. So that's the first half of the first section. So there is zero pain, no pain at all. I'm not tugging at my scalp because the product has already softened my hair. So I don't need to do all that. OMG, please let me know what you think in the comment section. Please, I would really love to know what you think about this product in the comment section. I'm just removing the shed hairs from my fingers. Here you go. So this section is done. And I always like to twist so that my hair doesn't shrink. So I'm done with this side. I can tell that I completely missed spraying my roots because all the tangles are still there. As you can see, my hair is fully detangled. My scalp doesn't hurt. That was quick. Usually it takes a lot longer. So I would really like to know if you have tried this product. I would like to know what you think about this product. Honestly, I attended an event and it was given to me, so I did not pay for the product, but this video is not sponsored. I absolutely love it. I haven't really seen the product anywhere else, so I'll definitely be on the lookout for it. The pre-treatment by L'Oreal Professional from their Absolut Repair Molecular collection. I love it. Will you be trying out this product? I would love to know. And if you do, please come back to this video and leave your review in the comment section. So subscribe to this channel if you haven't. I would really appreciate that. Give this video a thumbs up and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.